Hey guys, so I've been working on this little project for less than a month now. I've just been researching all about building PCs. I've never made a PC before, so it's a very interesting thing for me and a brand new kind of like a hobby for me. Um, so over the past month, I've been researching parts, looking at what people think is the best parts or which parts go with what parts. So I started with the case. This is an Antec case. I forgot what the name was, but it supports a 360 radiator or three fans at the front and a 240 at the top with two fans, and also one fan at the back, which can also support a 120 radiator if you wish. And yeah, it's got a window panel and supports for graphics cards. I don't have graphics cards at the moment because I'm low on funds because I've bought all this. It comes with two USB 3s at the top, one button, audio, and a light switch. So right now I've just got it on standby. Right, I'm going to show you what is inside basically. So I got the Z170 Asus motherboard, pro gaming one, which supports the new Core i7 Skylake. This one runs at 4 GHz. And to cool it, I have the Captain 240EX from Game Storm, and I'll show you what it does inside when I open it up in a minute. And I decided to buy the TF120, which is one of the fans you get in here at the back. So I've put that as my chassis fan at the back there. Come around, see right there. Comes with a nice little aluminium badge, which I like, and so does the i7. My RAM, the RAM package is in this motherboard box. Let me just grab that one-handed. Bit of a mess in here. Here we go. So I've got the Trident Z G-Skills DDR4 RAM. Beautiful. This one runs at a 3200 megahertz. To power that, I'm using the Corsair CX600, 600 watts. Right, let me open this up for you guys. And also the RAM comes with this little aluminium sticker as well, which stickers for days. Right, let's open it up. You just slide this panel out, and oh, if it comes out, there we go. Right. Sorry, the light is not very good. Let's try it. Ah, there we go. That worked a little bit. Okay. So there's my front two chassis fans. They're intakes. You probably can't see it very well, actually. Okay, it's very. So this is my first build. I'm trying to get all the wiring all sorted. I mean, this wire is kind of hanging everywhere. I've tried my best. There's a panel at the back, and you can sort it out there. Don't really want to open it for you guys because it's a bit of a mess. But yeah, there's in the Antec case. There's a magic box just behind here, and you can control the fan speed and the lighting to change the colours. Right now I've set it to red to match everything in here. So we'll start off with the RAM. This is the G-Skills RAM. It's probably can't see it very well right now, but it's beautiful. Let's see if I can get in there. Yeah, sort of see it. It's black on one side, which I think is this side, and gunmetal grey on the other side, with red details. This is the TF100 fan here. at the top you've got two TF100s, 120, sorry, with the radiator behind it for the all-in-one liquid cooler. Come on, focus. Which is clamped down here. Then there's the motherboard. Right, let's turn this on for you. In fact, I'll show you what's on the motherboard. So here's the AIO shield. You've got 4 USB 3s, a USB 3.1, you've got the Type C and internet, and there's your display ports, HDMI, DVI, VGA, 2 USB 2s and a PS2. Okay, let's turn this on. Beautiful. So you've got 2 LED fans there. LED at the bottom. This is the Game Storm fan at the back. And you can see the Captain 240EX. There's like a pulsing motion with the LEDs, and you can see the glass tube at the top. Right now I've got the front fans onto max speed, so it's quite loud. But yeah, when I get the graphics card, it's gonna go around here. I think I'm not really sure where to put it, seeing as this is my first build. So actually, I think it goes just on this part here. Tell me if I'm wrong, but yeah, I think it goes there. Yeah, tell me what you think of this build, guys, and yeah, see you soon.